How to use Street View in Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Google Maps. It works on iPhone, Android or Samsung. So we will simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will search for your location. For example, I want to search for London. So I will simply search for London. Once you search for that, you need to simply zoom to any street or roads. For example, I want to zoom here. Now here you need to hold on that road. Once you hold on that, you need to wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see on left side a fake our arrow, but when we click here you guys will see simple sphere, like you cannot use it as a straight view. So for street view we will simply tap on another location. For example, I'm tapping here, wait, like here. Once we click on another location, you guys will see these two arrows. So once simply I will click on that arrow. Now you guys can see our Google Street View was ready. So that's how you guys can use it. Thanks for watching.